I don't even know what's going on. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is actually the day that I'm going to get my Viper car alarm installed. I am running a little late, but we should get there in time. Hopefully there's no traffic this time. I just checked the maps, so we should be good. And we're gonna do a cool little review, test out the range and how the two-way Viper car alarm sounds like, and it works. Hopefully it works. They said it's gonna take about 3 hours. The appointment is at 11, so it should be done around 1 o'clock. So my wife is coming. She's gonna be driving her car so we can go and look around and do other stuff. But let's get to it. I know last time I used my GoPro, it was horrible, just a horrible view. So I plan to redeem myself and get some GoPro footage and make it a lot better. Because I usually check on my phone to see if the view is good, and it was not, and I did not. And the view came out super bad if you guys saw the last video, but I promise, I hope it doesn't happen again. So let's go. So the GoPro view is back, the POV, and hopefully it looks so much better because I know it can't get any worse than the last video. So hopefully it's a lot better. We're like we're like halfway there. We should get there 3 minutes late, but I don't think it should be a big issue. So the main concern I have is I've seen mixed reviews on Geek Squad and how they install any product that they have to install. And I've seen bad reviews, I've seen okay reviews, I've seen good reviews. So hopefully this guy knows what he's doing. The last time I talked to him, it sounded like he knew what he was doing. He has installed one of these, just not in a manual. He does drive a manual, but he has like a different system. It's not the Viper. So that's why he needed an extra hour, just to make sure that he has enough time to finish it. So hopefully we get it done. It's perfect and I don't have a bad experience, but we're on our way. Hopefully we don't hit any traffic. So let's go, and it should be a good day. And I will be reviewing the car alarm at my apartment, because the only thing I'm concerned about is it not reaching to my apartment. Like, let me see. If you can see, there is a two-way responder. So when the car alarm goes off, the remote should vibrate or alert me that the alarm is going off. So hopefully it reaches to my apartment, because the garage is like in the middle of the building and we're like on the opposite side. So that's what we're going to be reviewing, and just an overall review of the system and how it sounds. So let's go, and we should be there like in 10 minutes. It is starting to get cold here, and the past couple days it has been raining, so the weather is getting back to being but as you guys know, this is my only car, and I've been daily driving this car for almost, it's gonna be 4 years, through the heat, through the cold, through any weather you can think of, and it has not given me any issues, which is why I like this car so much. up with the maintenance, and I think that is why I haven't had any issues with this car, and it's been holding on strong for a very long time. The only thing, last winter we did not have any snow, like any major snowstorms, so I didn't get to experience like a driving in the snow, but it did snow, it just didn't stick. So hopefully this year it's the same, because I do not want to test this car out in snow and end up like in a ditch or just fishtailing it somewhere. But I do plan to get a Tacoma or some type of pickup truck in the near future, because this car for daily driving here in Maryland when it gets to the winter time is not very smart, and I want to keep this car. So when I finish paying this car off, which should be next year, we're getting it done a year early, because I've been making extra payments on it. So next year, hopefully within the next year, I will have I'm looking at the Tacoma's NETRD model, but that is the goal, and that is going to be another project. I'm not going to do like too much on it, but we will make it look cool, and it's going to be my daily driver when it's winter time. In the summer and spring, I will take this car out and drive it, just not in the winter, because I don't want this car to go through any bad snowstorms, and yeah, I don't want any nightmares. Let me know down below in the comments section if you guys want a video of a 4-year review of this car, because I've literally driven it throughout the seasons in Maryland, in Florida. I've driven it from Maryland to Florida like 4 times, and I have not had any issues. I think that would be a pretty cool video, like a 4-year review of the car and how much I've spent on maintenance and all that. Let me know down below, and I will push out that video, because I think that will be a pretty cool review of a 4-year daily driving this car, and it stayed strong. It stayed strong. So we got 9 minutes to get there, and I will pick up the video after the install and show you guys how the install comes out. If I knew how to do this, I would do it myself, but I hate wiring, and wiring is like a different animal. So I'll see you guys when the install is done. Peace. So after 5 hours of waiting, I finally got my car back, and it is like, it's 4:24, and it was supposed to be done around 1:30 maybe, but no,
in
something happened.
Feet, slight right onto the I-95 North ramp to Washington.
Something happened where they couldn't install it in I think the passenger side is where they're supposed to hook it up for the lock and unlock button. But so they had to run the wires to the driver's side, and it took them 2 extra hours to get it installed. But we finally got it installed. I'm gonna try to test it out in the apartment complex.
In a quarter mile, keep left at the fork.
They said
continue toward I-95 North.
This system, it has to be like a big impact, so I don't know if I'll be able to just smack it with my hand and it'll go off. But I'm pretty sure if they took the tires off or the wheels off, it would definitely go off. So we're gonna test it out. Hopefully it goes off, because
keep left
I don't know,
fork.
I'm a little disappointed, and the fact that
merge onto I-95 North.
they put the car alarm light right here makes no sense. It makes no sense. I clearly wanted the light over here somewhere. If someone pulled up to my car, they'll see that my car has an alarm, and now they have to look inside my car to see that I have an alarm, which makes no sense. And now that defeats the purpose of me wanting this alarm. I don't know. It's kind of disappointing. I'm gonna test it out. Hopefully it works. If it works, we're gonna show it on video. So now I have to deal with traffic because it took longer than it should, and now look at this. We got so much traffic on the way home. So
Continue on I-95 north for 10 miles.
I don't know why people. So now I have to deal with this traffic, and yeah. So I'll catch you guys when I get home. It should be like another 40 minutes, 30 minutes, 37 minutes. So yeah, peace. So as you can see, the light right there is on, which means the car is armed. So we're gonna test this out. I'm gonna call Shay and let you guys see what happens. So I'm gonna call Shay and we'll test this out. They did tell me if I wanted the alarm to go off when I touched it, I did have to buy tilt sensors. So that's probably not gonna work. So if I move the car, it's probably not gonna go off. So let's try it out.
Hello?
Hello. All right, I'm gonna shake the car and see if it goes off, but it's probably not.
Okay.
All right. Nope. Okay, so Shay has the other key fob. I think I left the other one that comes with the alarm in the car. So I'm gonna open the car. It's probably gonna go off, and let's see if Shay gets an alert. All right, let me know. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
The other one's not in here. You're gonna have to come and get it.
Oh no!
I don't know. Where that? Hold on.
Oh wait.
I found it.
Okay.
So wait. So you didn't get an alert?
It's beeping. It's beeping now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, okay, do it again.
Oh, nice. Okay.
It just started beeping.
Alright. Keep it close to the door, because that's where I would keep it.
Oh, like hanging up? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Alright, I'm gonna lock it. Does it say lock?
Yeah, it has a lock on it.
Okay. So I'm gonna do that again. And see if it goes out. Yes, no?
Nothing yet.
I think it takes a while, maybe.
Yeah.
Anything?
Nope.
Anything?
Nothing.
Okay. Anything?
Nothing.
Oh my god, okay. So I think it's like spotty, maybe.
Yeah, I think it's because it has to go through the walls.
Hold on, yeah. I'm gonna open the trunk like I did last time. And then close it. Alright, I'm gonna lock it.
Okay.
I'm gonna. Oh shit. Does it say it's locked?
Yeah, it still says it's locked. Nothing's changed.
Okay, I'm gonna close it. That didn't do anything. Go in the balcony. Maybe outside will work. Or like close to the window.
Okay. Is that where you're gonna keep it?
I don't know.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna go outside on the balcony.
Yeah.
Out into the cold. Okay, go ahead, try again.
Alright, hold on.
I'm pointing towards the garage.
Nothing?
Nothing.
That's weird.
Nothing.
That was weird that you got it that first time. Alright. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye. So I'm walking down my hallway, and when I try to unlock it, okay, that unlocked. So somewhere here, it reaches the car. But when I pressed it back there, it beeped and it was looking for the signal, I guess. So maybe that's why, and literally it has to travel through all these walls, so again. Yep, so it reaches the car. Again. If you're wondering how it looks when it goes off, let's see, I'll show you guys. So this is gonna set it off. You can see right there, it beeps and there's like a little hammer, which means that someone has hit your car or is messing with your car. So, yep. I don't even know what's going on.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Fuck. God damn it. Ever since I installed these, it always gets me, and it just got me in the calf. So as you guys just saw, I will be installing the tilt sensors because I do want it to be more sensitive if anything touches it. So look out for that. And other than that, I'm pretty happy with the system. At least it goes off when someone opens the door or enters my car when it's armed. So I'll get a thumbs up. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully it was helpful. And if you live in an apartment, it probably won't reach your apartment because of all the walls and all that. But this is the second key fob that comes with the Viper. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully it was helpful to someone that lives in an apartment and was wondering if this would work. So it does not. So if you live in a house, I'm pretty sure it will work just fine. So peace out. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video.